Peter.
Melissa.
Hi, thank you. And what is this?
Let's see. That's a great question. Alite.
Is this made by Aliner?
Alite. Well, actually, yeah, it might be Aliner. Is the company.
Okay.
I'm actually not entirely positive.
Okay, well, it doesn't matter. Did you buy it new?
No, we bought it used.
You bought it used. How old is it? Do you know?
We've had it for actually
Like 5 or 6 years.
there might be. Yeah, good question.
All right, well, I think A-Liner made them, but I don't know. It doesn't matter. So you've had it 5 or 6 years, and how old was it, you know, before you got it?
Probably maybe the same.
Yeah,
It was a little older couple that towed it behind their Honda Accord.
Yeah, Adirondack, that's my stomping grounds.
Yeah, yep, mine too.
A lot of boondocking up there.
Absolutely.
And how much does this weigh?
It's rated at just 1,000.
1,000 pounds? It doesn't look like it weighs 1,000.
I mean, I don't know.
Probably could carry 1,000. It
You
looks
can move
like.
it with your hands.
Yeah, it's easy to drag around by your hand.
Yeah. How do you find it, you know, comfort-wise?
It's good. Yeah, we kind of we upgraded to this when we realized we were getting a little older for just sleeping on the ground.
Yeah. Well, we're all doing that. Yeah, me included. You know.
So yeah, it's great because it's literally just like a bed, like bed size. And
Yeah. Oh, Jackery. What is that? 300, 280.
240. Yeah.
240. Yeah.
It's
No.
a Friends.
I love them. I
Yeah.
mean, they're great. They're
It
really
seems to
great. So
work
let me
really
see. So you have a bed surface in here, but you don't cook or anything like that in here, right?
Yeah, and it's got nothing. It doesn't come with
no
any-
water. Well, you have an air conditioner.
Just a bedroom
Yeah, the
on
guys,
wheels.
the couple before us put that in there for
Okay.
when there's a hookup, you can cool it down or heat it up.
So no battery. You just run on. You bring your own power.
Yeah,
Yeah, good. No, I do that. I have a battery in my trailer, but I swing to to Jackeries, which I like a lot.
Yep, it
And
seems to work really well.
now, how about heat in the summer? I mean, it's a hard walled.
Yeah, so that's the where the air conditioner is key, because it's in the bright sun it's way too hot to be in there.
Yeah.
So
I think $3,000.
Yeah, $3,000, I think.
It was unique. We hadn't seen one this size before.
Yeah.
So
Yeah,
this
good
was
luck getting one now.
yeah, right. Yeah, everybody's
All the trailers are getting clobbered.
We can set it up in 5 minutes. You know.
Oh yeah.
Show up and we set it up, and then we're ready to.
Front storage.
Yep, yeah, a little front storage spot. Yep.
Yeah. And you
No,
can tow it with anything. I mean,
Yep,
there's like
it's-
no issue with
Yeah,
anything.
like I said, the people we bought it from towed it with their Honda Accord, so.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, it was pretty good.
Are you happy with it?
Yeah, it's been great.
Any
Yeah.
complaints?
I don't think so. Yeah, with the wind and the rain, it stayed dry.
Good. Did it rattle much or anything? Or no? Good. Arrow,
We don't
good.
have a heater in there.
No.
I guess we could
No heater. Yeah, you can put your own in.
Well, the air
Yeah.
conditioner in theory will do some heat, if there was a hookup. But
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. And you have storage on the side here?
I think that's the vent. I think it's the vent for the air conditioning, actually. Yeah, it's the.
Okay. Great.
it's
And
the-
you could store in there when you're driving.
Probably,
Yeah.
yeah. Yep. Yeah.
And what is that little front panel there?
There was a 12-volt battery in there. So
Vented?
this is just the vent for that, and then this is the compartment for the plug for the air conditioner.
Okay. Great. Very nice. Very nicely thought out. Yeah.
Yeah.
A lot of fun, right? Not too much responsibility. A lot of fun. Travel light, you know. And your car is your main storage vehicle, so that's working out good. Yeah. Good. Okay. Well, you know, you must be getting great gas mileage with this thing, right?
Yeah, I mean, it doesn't do much worse than this normally does. So,
Yeah.
we're
Great.
good.
Well, you know, it gets you out here, and that's all that counts.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah.
And you have a beautiful spot here overlooking
man.
the, you know.
There was a whole family of horses out here this morning.
Yeah.
They're right next door.
They're unbelievable, aren't they?
Still out here.
They're just great. I want to put them in my car and take them home.
Yeah.
The compact camp.
Compact camp.
Yeah. John.
Very nice. Nice setup here. You got your water, everything. Hold on. Let me just. Very nice. How much does this weigh?
I'm guessing 500.
Yeah, and you're towing with a trike.
Yep.
Quite nice. 30 miles per gallon. Lots of storage. What a way to travel. How long are you going to be on the road for?
We're almost done. We're doing 49 states.
49 states and you're at the end?
Yeah, we're at the end. We'll be done 4th of July.
Wow.
Just hit 41,000 miles.
Excellent, excellent. Good adventure?
Oh yeah.
When did you start this?
December 2018.
Okay, all right, well. And you've been in this the whole time?
Yep.
Great, and it worked out good, huh?
Oh yeah, we loved it.
Spare tire, any flats?
Nope.
Okay.
Had a flat.
Okay, how many miles have you ever been in this?
41,000.
Oh, 41,000, I'm sorry. Yeah, wow, 41,000 miles. And what did this cost roughly?
Oh, I don't know. I think they're 32, something like that.
3,200.
Yeah.
What a bargain, right?
Yeah, there's a waiting list for them.
I'll bet. I'll bet. No trouble towing it with the
Nope.
trike, yeah?
Not a problem.
And you have a full platform in there for the mattress?
Yes.
Excellent.
Yeah, you got like a 2 foot and a half.
All right, I'll just put it over there. There we go. There we go. So, okay. Great. Okay. Excellent. Great. Pretty good comfort?
What YouTube channel are we gonna be on?
Huh?
What YouTube channel?
So how do you deal with winds above 20 miles an hour?
We hunker down, pull all the poles out, and bring the tent down on top.
I've spent nights in biv bags, just like being in a body bag, you know, but it's comfortable.
Oh yeah, we didn't mind. It only lasts an hour or so.
Yeah, yeah. Well, good, good. Very nice. Well, congratulations. What about the other 3 states?
Oh, that we're doing? Vermont, Rhode Island, New Hampshire,
Okay, good.
Maine.
Sue,
Sue, and this is your Aliner
Aliner. It's an Aliner LEX.
LXE.
LXE.
Aliner LXE. And how long have you had it, Sue?
A year.
A year.
Just about a year.
Okay, how many trips have you gone on?
Quite a few. I mean, we've been up to Hershey Park and Dutch Wonderland. We've been down to Maryland, down to Treasure.
Okay, great.
Yeah.
And what did you pay for this, if you don't mind me asking?
I paid about 28.
Oh, 28. Yeah, it's actually reasonable these days. You know?
It is. I thought it was. You
Yeah.
know? Yeah.
And you know, you have these nice square walls. This is the first one I've seen. They've kind of solved the problem of the A shape.
Uh-huh. Right.
And do you know how much this weighs?
Yeah, I could show you that on the other side.
All right,
It's
no
about-
problem.
It's about 1,800.
Okay, hold on. Now here you have AC outlets out here.
Yes. About
Okay,
that.
2 AC outlets.
You can get a grill here.
Okay,
I didn't get that.
yeah. And tires not too big, but they're, you know, they're
Yeah.
good. Yeah.
Yeah.
This is storage.
This is yeah. That has when I get the hose and the power cord out, and I keep the tools. Tools. in
Okay,
there.
great,
Yeah.
good.
Spare-
Spare tire, which is very nice. That's a good, you know, nice place to put it.
Yeah.
Again, all squared off. You get a lot of interior room in here, huh?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah,
There's
especially-
a lot in it.
Yeah, for the space. Yeah.
I want to put a bike rack on the
Yeah.
back here, but I haven't yet.
Yeah. Bike's a good thing. Nice bumper.
I disconnected the fresh water.
You know how many gallons of water you can haul?
I forget.
Yeah, okay. It's enough?
Yeah.
Okay.
You know what? I just keep the water turned on.
Oh, you're hooked into the campground. Yeah,
hooked
okay.
into the campground.
Okay, yeah. Okay, great.
Air conditioner.
Air conditioner, great. 5,000 BTU? Probably, yeah, right? You don't need much to cool this.
No,
And more storage.
and that's great. This is the shower. There's something to do with
Exterior shower?
it. Yeah, exterior shower.
Oh, nice,
That's
nice.
good.
And you have a hookup here for solar panel.
That's right. You're
Yeah.
right.
Yeah. And two propane tanks.
2 propane tanks.
They don't
battery.
look like, maybe they're 20 pounders. I don't know. They look smaller.
Do they?
I don't know. It's hard to tell with the cover on, but yeah, a battery.
Yeah. Last night was the first time I used the propane.
Okay.
Yeah.
It was cool last night. We've had a cool week, you know.
It was cool.
I've been out for over a week and it's been very cool.
Yes, it has.
Okay, I'm gonna just stick my.
This door. Keep that open.
All right, hop inside and you can show me the what
Okay.
you've got here.
All right. So we have a lot.
Okay.
We're not.
All right, manual step, which is very nice. I like manual steps. I think they're great.
Uh-huh.
Okay, let me move down here.
Turn this light on for you.
You know, a lot of standing room here. Yeah.
Yes. Now this will fold up into a couch.
Mm-hmm.
And then you got these 2 chairs.
2 chairs. Okay.
Storage under that one.
This is what, designed for 2 people or 4 people?
2.
2. Yeah. Okay. Okay.
One child maybe.
Do you have a toilet?
Have a toilet. Toilet in here.
Okay.
Yeah. This lifts up.
Mm-hmm.
and it hooks up here.
Oh, shower. Okay,
Toilet
shower.
and shower.
Okay, great.
Yeah.
Have you been using this or just a campground?
This time I didn't set up the toilet.
Okay.
Yeah, I decided to kind of rough it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What is this rod up here?
That should be folded in, but
Oh, it's for putting it up? You can reach up and push it up or something?
yeah, actually when you put it down, it rests on that rod.
I see, like a little leg. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
There's a refrigerator,
Okay.
microwave.
Microwave. Wow.
Yes.
Hot air
That's-
heater.
That's the heater. And
Okay.
a sink. And that's the AC.
AC.
Back
That's
there.
interesting configuration for AC. Okay.
Yeah. And then a 2-burner
yeah.
gas stove, which has to be, you turn on the gas and then you have to light it with a match.
And we've had a lot of wind. How has this been in the wind lately?
Well, the only time I had a problem with it was when it was in storage and it was windy. So
Oh, it's all collapsed then, right? It's all
it
collapsed.
does collapse. Yeah,
Well,
but
when you
it
had it
still
collapse-
moved it, you know.
Oh.
But part of that was my fault. Though.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay. You mean it moved the trailer?
a little bit, yeah.
Oh, well, I mean, I'm just talking about the the walls rattling and all that, you know.
No,
Not bad?
no. I could hear the wind, but no.
Okay, good. Not
It
much
wasn't-
air leakage?
I don't think so.
Okay.
No.
A nice little sink here. Okay. Everything's a little low, but that's because, everything folds inside of itself. So
Right.
they've really,
It folds
designed
down,
everything
so-
around this.
Yeah.
And Rosie the dog likes it.
Rosie loves it.
Okay, you got a lot of window space. Well, the curtains are up, but you have a lot of window space. How long does it take you to assemble this, to put it up when you pull in? Forget about, all your stuff inside, just to, like, make it a trailer again.
10 minutes.
Oh, 10 minutes, okay. Easy to do, one person?
2 for me.
2 for you, okay.
Yeah.
Good.
You put the A up, and then you push the dormers out and set those up.
Yeah. Well, good, great. Thank you very much.
No problem.
Wow, real fun mobile, huh?
Yeah.
The fun is on the road.
I think it's fun. Yeah.
Great.
It's a lot to figure out, but it's a learning process.
Great. Thank you so much.